Ever wonder what lurks in the Amazon with powers so wild they seem straight out of a sci-fi movie? These birds will blow your mind. Did you know macaws might read your thoughts? Scientists say their brains are so sharp, they mimic human emotions. Could this giant macaw know your secrets? What's that smell? Meet the hoatzin, the bird that farts toxic gas to scare predators. Imagine this beast 50 times bigger. Could it gas out a village? Think toucans are just pretty? Their beaks amplify calls into sonic booms that echo for miles. Could this giant toucan's cry shatter your eardrums? Which superpower is the wildest? Comment below and subscribe for more jungle secrets.